How to create a Grindr account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I will show you how you can create a Grindr account. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to create a Grindr account, first of all open up your iOS smartphone or your Android device as well, and make sure to download the Grindr application from your Play Store. Once you download it, I'm just going to go ahead and then open it up. Now if you already have an account, you can log in using your email or your phone number, or else you could simply tap on the option called sign up from the top right hand side of the screen. Here just agree to all these terms and conditions over here, and then tap on the next option and just tap on the accept button. Again tap on next, again tap on accept. You can read through all of them one after another. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to choose a birthday. So I'll just go ahead and then enter the date and then the month, and after that you want to enter the year as well. Once you've done that, just tap on the next option from the bottom of the screen. The next step is to simply choose an email and then create a password. So let me also go ahead and then simply enter an email address that I want to use, and as I enter the email address, I'll also go ahead and choose a password for myself. And once I have entered my email address and the password that I want to use, all you have to do is agree to terms and conditions. If you want to receive emails, that's perfectly fine, or if not, I'll just click on the create account button over here, and over here it says please complete this verification. So I'm going to verify this captcha over here, and once you've done that, click on the option called verify, and as you do that, you'd have successfully created your account. Now if you want, you can also go ahead and then add your phone number, and once you add a phone number, you'll be able to add yourself a code as well. And that's all it takes to create a Grindr account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.